washing machine? Nobody. Oh, what a pity. But I am the crazy fan of washing machine. Only I am the fan of washing machine. Nobody here. Now the next device. The next device. Who is the fans of smartphone? Raise your hand. Smartphone, raise your hand. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, it's me. Okay, you are the fan of smartphone. It's very good. And yes, now 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 students who are the fan of smartphone. You can move here. Stand up. Stand up. Just stand there. Go on. Who is the fans of 3D printer? 3D printer. It's very new, but nobody. Oh, what a pity. Who is a fan of television? TV or television? Okay, some of you. Yes, that's good. All the fans of television move to next to the Mr. Han, next to the TV. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. And the next, the fans of laptop. Laptop. Okay, that's good. All now listen to me. Listen to me. Where is TV group? Where is TV group or television group? Yeah, that's very good. And your TV group, so you, each student, you have to stick TV on the port. Okay? Divide. Who is the fans of laptop? Where are you? Laptop. Yeah, thank you. Laptop. The same. Good job. Yeah. Or anywhere you like. Where is camera? Camera. Not only right here. Camera. See camera. And the last. The smartphone. Yeah, that's right. Thank you. And yes, I know you are the. Okay, you are a fan of smartphones.